banal and dead. So the second Western mythology is the mythology of the mechanical universe. And you must notice the language in which the great thinkers of the 19th century thought about the world. Freud, for the basic psychic energy, used the word libido, which in a 19th century Vienna was exceedingly uncomplimentary. Libido, blind lust. I am a part of nature. I am something that nature fluked into being. But nevertheless, this fluke is something that nature doesn't care about. It doesn't care about my ego and its future. All that is important to nature is the species. The individual is irrelevant.